with work and no time for a healthy keto meal? Well, after you watch this video, you have absolutely no excuse to not have a healthy and delicious keto lunch even when you are working. Today, we've brought 3 delicious keto lunchbox ideas that are extremely easy to make. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification so that you won't miss our keto diet and weight loss content. 1. Keto Chicken Enchilada Bowl 4 servings, net carb, 6.14 grams. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, for searing chicken, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 3/4 cup red enchilada sauce, 1/4 cup water, 1/4 cup chopped onion, 4 ounces of canned diced green chilies. Toppings: 1 whole diced avocado, 1 cup shredded cheese, 1/4 cup chopped pickled jalapenos, ½ cup sour cream, 1 chopped Roma tomato. Instructions: in a pot or Dutch oven over medium heat, melt the coconut oil. Once hot, sear chicken thighs until lightly brown. Pour in enchilada sauce and water, then add onion and green chilies. Reduce heat to a simmer and cover. Cook the chicken for 17 to 25 minutes or until chicken is tender and fully cooked through to at least 165 degrees internal temperature. Carefully remove the chicken and place onto a work surface. Chop or shred chicken, then add it back into the pot. Let the chicken simmer uncovered for an additional 10 minutes to absorb flavor and allow the sauce to reduce a little. To serve, top with avocado, cheese, jalapeno, sour cream, tomato, and any other desired toppings. Feel free to customize these to your preference. Serve alone or over cauliflower rice if desired. 2. Keto Taco Salad, 6 servings, net carb, 5 grams. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1 teaspoon avocado oil, or any oil of choice, 2 tablespoon taco seasoning, 8 ounces of shredded romaine lettuce, 1/3 cup grape tomatoes, halved, 3/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cubed medium avocado, ½ cup chopped green onions, 1/3 cup salsa, 1/3 cup sour cream. Instructions: heat oil in a skillet over high heat. Add ground beef. Stir fry, breaking up the pieces with a spatula, for about 7 to 10 minutes, until the beef is browned and moisture has evaporated. Stir taco seasoning into the ground beef until well combined. Meanwhile, combine all remaining ingredients in a large bowl. Add the ground beef, and toss everything together. 3. Keto Cucumber Avocado Salad, no cooking required, 6 servings, net carb, 5 grams. Ingredients: 1 rotisserie chicken deboned and shredded, 1 large English cucumber, halved lengthways and sliced into 1/4 inch thick slices. 4 to 5 large Roma tomatoes sliced or chopped, 0.25 red onion thinly sliced, 2 avocados peeled, pitted and diced. 0.5 cup flat leaf parsley chopped, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: mix together shredded chicken, cucumbers, tomatoes, onion, avocados, and chopped parsley in a large salad bowl. Drizzle with the olive oil and lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. Toss gently to mix all of the flavors through. With the recipes we have given you, you will now be able to carry on your keto diet journey even if you are super busy throughout the day. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel if you want more of these keto recipes or any weight loss content.